Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into M&T Bank online, secure access step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type in the URL for M&T Bank, which is www.mtb.com. Press the Enter key to load the M&T Bank homepage. Once the homepage appears, look for the Login button, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be directed to the Login page. Here, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the first text box. Next, move to the password field and input your password. If you would like the website to remember your login details, check the box labeled Remember Me. Before proceeding, ensure that the information entered is correct. Once you've confirmed your details, click the Login button to access your account. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. If you encounter issues with your login, look for the option labeled Forgot Username or Password. Click this link if you need assistance recovering your login information. Follow the prompts to reset your username or password as necessary. Once logged in successfully, you can navigate your online banking features securely. Remember to log out after you finish your banking session for added security. Always ensure you are accessing the official M&T Bank website to protect your personal information. That's it. You are now logged into M&T Bank Online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.